All right, my name is Matthew Berge. I'm the lead welding instructor here in Anchorage. I've been tasked to give a demonstration on how I give tours to students coming into the program. First thing I'll ask them if they have any previous welding experience, such as high school welding, and just kind of get familiar with the student. I'll bring them into our shop, show them what we got going on here. There's a lot going on. We got, ventilation, we got 24 booths. We got lots of welding rod. I'll go over welding rod with them, such as 70-18, 60-10, our TIG rods for aluminum and stainless. Just give them an idea of what they will be working with. I'll bring them over into a booth. I'll show them exactly where they're gonna be spending most of their time. I'll show them some booths like this one, for instance. Right now it's a Miller multi-process machine. It's set up for TIG welding right now because we're in the middle of a TIG mod. And then I'll just show them around to a couple other booths, such as this one over here. Got a brand new Lincoln Flex Tech 350X. These machines are great. And this one's set up for TIG as well. Show them the booths. We got snorkels and downdraft tables for fume extraction as well. Then, I'll just continue to talk with the student, let them know about the program, the first 10 weeks being, safety and trades math, and then they'll eventually be spending most of their time here in the shop. One other thing I like to mention to the students is that all of our steel usually comes in brand new unless we get some stuff donated, which is really great because a lot of schools that I'm aware of don't, provide brand new steel for students. And I'll show you guys the cutting room. I usually bring the students in here. I'll show them the steel that we're going to be using, and also letting them know that we do not like wasted steel. It may be brand new steel, but we like to reuse it as much as possible. I'll show them the cutting room. I'll show them we call this the Dream Crusher. This is where we do a lot of our bend tests to test our students' coupons for the D1.1 structural weld test, which, it's always exciting to go over that with them. And then I let them know that we do all processes, all positions. So we do MIG, TIG, dual shield, stick, 70-18 and 60-10. One big thing I like to share with the student that is coming in for a tour is that, once they finish the program, they can come pop in. If we have a booth open, they can come and practice. Say, they have an interview or a weld test for a process they haven't been running since they came here. They can come and hop in a booth whenever it's available and, kind of brush off some of the cobwebs. If you follow me, Greg, we got a really big selling point I like to mention to the students as well is that we offer a fab class. So the fabrication class, we order steel for the student and they can build something within reason. Usually I have it 3 feet by 3 feet within those dimensions, and they can build themselves something, halfway decent. I've seen a lot of grills, a lot of fire pits, all kinds of awesome things. I'll show them our gas bank. We got argon, oxygen, 75-25 mixed gas, and kind of explain to them what this is all about as well, for what processes. Argon, we're gonna be running, using TIG. Oxygen is gonna be for our cutting. And then we got our 75-25 mixed gas, which is gonna be used for dual shield and MIG welding. And then if we come over here, this is a lot of the steel we use for our fab projects as well. We got a fab class, this mod as well. So we just got a little bit of a stock going on here for the students who are getting ready to build their fab projects. Other than that, that's how I give my tours in a nutshell. The things I like to, kind of drive into them is that they'll be able to get the fab project, be able to come in when they're done with the program, and also practice as well. But all in all, I think that's all I got for you guys. If you have any questions, please reach out to me. I'd love to help you guys out with anything you got. Thank you.